Hi everyone, can you hear me? Online students. Today we are starting HTML. In the last session I discussed about the basics of HTML actually. So today we are discussing about other tags that are important tags that are available in our HTML. We already know that one. Can you hear my voice everyone? Please respond. My voice is clear? Wait 1 minute. Hmm. Hello? Yeah, my voice is clear everyone? My voice is clear everyone? Yeah? So, hi everyone, welcome to Mygo Minds. I think in the last session I have discussed about what is HTML. HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. So, what is the purpose of HTML? HTML is used to design the web pages and to display the content on browser in a proper format. If you want to become a full stack web application developer, everyone must have the knowledge on what? HTML. So, an HTML is a tag oriented language. So, what is a tag, all of you? Any command that was enclosed within angle braces is called as tag. Tags are basically divided into two types. One is container tag, other one is non-container tag. Container tag means the tag which contain both starting element and ending element. That is called as container tag. Non-container tag means the tag which contains only starting element but not ending element. That is called as non-container tag. So today we'll develop in the last session we discussed about table tags and all the other stuff. Today we'll discuss about one of the important tags called form tags. So generally why HTML is very popular, if you want to design this type of login form or if you want to design a registration form, something like this, then you have to learn what? HTML. Is it clear? And if the user is not giving any input, directly hit the button, it has to display the error messages. If you want to display this type of error messages, then you have to learn JavaScript. If you want to apply the styles, colors, background color, border color, font height, width, then you have to learn what? CSS. So today we'll discuss about one of the important tags called form tags in our HTML. Let us see here. We'll discuss about form tags. Is it clear? What is the use of these form tags actually? Let us see what is the purpose of these form tags. Form tags are used to design web pages. Are used to design web page. So if you want to design the login page or registration page, example, if you want to design login page or if you want to design what? Registration page, then we have to use what? Form tags. What is the structure of HTML program, all of you? First of all, you have to open the HTML tag and then here you have to close the HTML tag and here you have to open the head tag and then here you have to close the head tag. These are container tags which contain starting element and ending element. And after head tag, here you have to open the body tag and then you have to close the body tag. So inside the head tag, here you can open the script tag. Here you can write type is equal to text slash JavaScript. And again here you can close the script tag here actually. And inside the script tag, always write JavaScript code here. And outside the script, you have to write the style tag. Style type is equal to text slash CSS. And here you can close the style tag. Is it clear? Inside the style tag, what to do? Write CSS code here. Did you understood? This is what you have to write. Inside the body tag, you have to write the form tag actually. This is very, very important tag, form tag. Inside the form tag, you have to write some design code. Is it clear? So there are different types of form tags that are available in our HTML. So HTML is used to design the web pages and to display the content on browser in a proper format actually. Is it clear? First we have to discuss about text box control. There are different types of elements that are available in our HTML text box. So what is text box? Text box is data entry control. Text box is considered as what all of you? Data entry control, which is used to accept the text from the user. Text box is data entry control. Data entry control, which is used to accept the text from user. Different types of text boxes. Different types of text boxes that are available. Different types of text boxes that are available are, number one is single line text box. What is the use of single line text box? It is used to accept single line of text from the user. That is your single line text box. Next one is the syntax for single line text box is input type is equal to text. These all are called as input tags, and you can give some ID. ID is equal to some ID. So these all are called as attributes actually. Input is called as element, and here type is called as attribute. This is called as attribute, and here text is called as value. Text is called as value here. So HTML element attribute values must be quoted. Whatever you write inside double quote, that is called as value. So input type is equal to text, ID is equal to some name. So in order to identify the each and every element in HTML, we have to give what? ID. So what is ID, all of you? ID is the name given for the element. Did you understand? ID is the name given for what? Element. The HTML is used to display the content on browser in a proper format, and HTML is used to design the web pages also. Is it clear? This is the element, this is the attribute, this is the value. HTML element attribute values must be quoted. That whatever you write inside double quotation, that is required. Next one, you must have the knowledge on password text box. Password text box means it is used to accept a single line of text from the user and display the text in hidden format. That is called as password text box actually. What is the syntax for password text box? Here you can write input type is equal to password. ID is equal to some ID you have to give. For example, if you open your login form in your Facebook login form, you can say enter email address, enter password. This is called single line text box. This is called password text box. Now nowadays in HTML you have different types of other text box are there. Email text box. Email text box means it is used to accept the email ID. It is used to accept single line of text from the user, and it is used to accept the email ID. Email text from user actually. That is your email text box actually. Email text from user. Are you following? You already know there are some rules that you have to follow while you are accepting the email ID. What are the rules? Email ID must not start with special characters. Email ID must not allow any other special characters except dot, at the rate, and underscore. And these special characters must not be at the end or must not be at the starting. Is it clear? So simply in olden days, if you want to perform this email ID text box means you have to write the JavaScript code to perform validations. But now in HTML they have given what? Email text box. Input type is equal to email, ID is equal to some ID. Is it clear? Like that you have different text box are there. Text box is the data entry control which is used to accept the text from the user. Next one is multi-line text box. Multi-line text box means it is used to accept multiple lines of text from user actually. That is your multi-line text box. So in order to design this multi-line text box, you can open the text area tag. Text area, here you can mention rows, and here you have to mention columns. Rows is equal to some number and calls is equal to some number, and here you can close the text area tag. Generally you can see Facebook comments or your notepad is also a multi-line text box. It is used to accept multiple lines of text from the user actually. Is it clear everyone? That is about your multi-line text box. Next you must have the knowledge on checkbox actually. So what is checkbox? It is used to select. Checkbox is used to use it to select group of items. Group of items actually. What is it? These all are called as input tags actually. Output tags are different. Span tag, div tag. These all are output tags. Input tags are text box, checkbox, radio button, drop down list. These all are input tags. So checkbox is used to select group of items among list of items. Syntax is input type is equal to checkbox. And here you can give some name is equal to some name, or you can give ID. There is a small difference between name and ID also, that we'll discuss later. And then we have to discuss about radio button. Radio button, it is used to select only one item. It is used to select only one item among list of items. Among list of items. Mostly when we work with gender. Is it clear? The syntax for radio button is input type is equal to radio. And here you can give some name. Let us do a small registration form now. You will get some clarity. Open your notepad. So first of all, what to do? First of all, open your HTML tag and again close the HTML tag. I want to design a form like this. Enter username. Here I want to create one text box, single line text box. Here I want to enter password. Here also I want to create one more text box. Here I want to enter something like confirm password. Here I want to create one more text box. Here I'll try to write select hobbies or select your course, what course you want to learn. Here you can keep some checkboxes. Here you can select one course is C, one is Java, other one is Python, other one is .NET. You can select the course. You can select multiple courses. This is called a checkbox control. And here you can write select gender. Gender. Here I'll try to select what? Radio button. One is male, other one is female. You can select either male or either female. Did you understand, everyone? But here the problem is, if I design like this, see how all the text boxes are not in a proper order. So what to do? Display all these design in the form of table tags, so that all the text boxes will look in a proper format actually. In the last session, I already discussed about table tags. How to work with the table tag? First of all, open table tag. It is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. Close the table tag. Here you can open what? TR tag, table row. Here you can open what? TD tag, table data. Here also you can close what? TD tag. Is it clear? Here also again you can open what? In that you can write one username. Again open TD. Again close what? TD. Finally close what? TR. Like that you have to work here. So what is the advantage of displaying these design in the table? All the text box will come in a proper sequence. I'll follow that one. Open HTML. I'm following the HTML structure. Open head tag and close what? Head tag. And again open body tag. And here again close what? Body tag. Is it clear? Inside the body tag, I'll try to open the form tag. Because these all input elements are belongs to form tags, you write inside the form tag. Form name is equal to some name, I'll give F1. And it is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. So close the form tag. So inside the form tag, what I want to do? I want to open one table tag. And again, I'll try to close the table tag. Table is nothing but a collection of rows and columns. And inside the table, I'll try to open one TR tag. And here I'll try to close the TR. Again, here I'll try to open one TD tag. And again, I'll close the TD. And again, two TDs. This is my format for the table. So here first I want to write something like enter username. And the second TD I want to place what? One text box, single line text box. So input type is equal to text. Here I'll try to give some name is equal to T1. This is what happening. If you want, I'll save my program. Go to D drive. There you can go to HTML 2026. There you can write something like register.html. Register.html. And again, here I'll try to write something like, again one more TR, one more TD you can open. Here in this TD you can write enter what? Password. And here I'll try to take one password text box. I'll try to take one password text box. Input type is equal to password. Input type is equal to password. I'll give some name. Name is equal to T2. And then I'll try to keep one more TR. Is it clear? Again I'll open one more TR. Here I want to enter something like confirm password. Again I will take one more password T3. If you want, you can see the output for time being. You will get some clarity. go to your D drive, go to your HTML 2026. There you can see register.html. Here you can see. All the text boxes are looking in same order because of table tags. Don't give any border for the table. And after this again I can open one more tr tag here, one more tr, and again close what? Tr, and again open what? Td, and again close what? Td here, again open Td and what? Close Td. Are you following? Here what you can write? I want to write something like enter address. Enter your portfolio or address, whatever it may be. I want to take a multi-line text box. Multi-line text box means what you have to do? Here you have to take what? Text area tag. Here you have to take text area. Rows is equal to 5, and here I'll give calls is equal to 15. And again here you can close the text area tag actually. Close the text area tag, something like this. Save it. Once you can check here, you can see. Are you following everyone? But I want to adjust this one. Rows I will give as 10. Calls also I will give as 10. Something like this. So that it will fit to that row. Rows I will give 5. Calls I will give 10. You can adjust. Rows I will give 3. Calls I will give 50. Something like this. Otherwise I will give 25. This is how you can see 20. Like that you can adjust. Enter username, enter password, confirm address, confirm password, enter address. Then I want to, after this tr again I will try to open one more tr. Here I will try to open one tr and close the tr tag, and inside the tr I will try to open one td tag. Here I will try to write something like select gender. Here you can close what? Td, and again you can open one more td, and here you can close the td. It is a container tag. And here what you can do, here you can write something like input type. Input type is equal to radio. And here you can give name is equal to some name you can give, R1. And outside this I'll give the text as male. Here I'll give the text as female. There, save it. Once check here, you can see two radio buttons, male and female. You can select only one actually. Both the radio buttons names must be same, otherwise they will work like checkbox. After this again I will try to open one more tr tag, and again close the tr, and again here I will try to open one more td tag, and again close the td. Did you understood? Here I will write something like select course. So student can select more than one course. And again here you can open td, and again close what? Td. And here what I want to do, I will try to take the checkbox. Input to type is equal to checkbox. And here I will try to give some name is equal to C1. The text I will give as .NET. And again copy. Here I will give the text as Java. And again I will give the text as Python. And again I will give the text as AIML. So now the customer can select more than one course. .NET, Java, Python, AIML, something like this. Select gender. You can select only one course, either one gender, either male or female. That is how you can work with course. And after this, you must have the knowledge on drop-down list. Drop-down list means it is used to select only one item among list of items. Open your tr tag, and again close your tr, and again here open your td tag, and again close what? Td. And here you can write something like select country. Select what all of your country. And again here I'll try to open one more td tag. One more td. And again close what? Td. Here in drop down list you have something like select command will be there. Here you can use select command. Open select. And here you can give some name. Name is equal to ddl country. I'll try to give. And again close what? This select. Close this select. And inside the select I'll try to open what? Option. And again here you can close the option. I'll give the name as India. Country names I'll try to give. First one is India. And again I'll try to give USA. India, here I will give USA. And here I'll try to give what? UK. So you can select. Is it clear? Different countries you can add. Germany, something like this. So you can select only one item among list of items: India, USA, UK, Germany. First one is single line text box, password text box, text area, multi-line text box, radio button, checkbox, drop down list. And then very important is button controls actually. And file upload control is also there if you want to upload in a resume or portfolio. Is it clear? Just here you can open one tr tag and close what tr, and here again you can open one td tag and close what td tag. And here I'll type something like upload pic, upload picture or upload resume, whatever it may be. Here I'll try to take one file upload. Here I'll try to give something like this: input to type is equal to file. Is it clear? Save it. Once refresh it, here you can see choose the file. Here you can select any photo. You can see the name of that particular file. And then button control is very important. Which control all of you? Button. There are three types of buttons are there. One is normal button. Other one is submit button. Another one is restart button. Three buttons are there. Button control. When user want to perform validation, whenever user want to perform validations, then we have to use what? This normal button. Is it clear? Syntax will be input to type is equal to button. Mostly when you work with JavaScript, you will use this one. Submit button. When user want to submit form data to server, then we have to use this submit button. The syntax will be input type is equal to submit. And here you can give what? Value is equal to what? Submit. Here also you can give value is equal to normal button, this one. And again you can go for reset button, not restart, sorry, reset button. It will clear the form values. If we want to clear form values, then we have to use this reset button. The syntax will be input type is equal to reset. Value is equal to reset. This is how you can implement these three buttons. If you want, I'll implement in our project also. And again here you can open one more tr tag. And again you can close this tr. Close this what? Tr tag here. Open one tr tag table row. And again you can close this tr. And again you can open one td tag. And again you can close this what? td. And here what I want to do, I will try to take one normal button control, something like this. What is the normal button? Input type is equal to button. Here I will try to give value is equal to some button I will give, same. And again I will take one submit button. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to what? Submit. And again I will take one reset button. Input type is equal to reset. Value is equal to what? Reset. Save it. Once open the output, check. If I enter the values, username I will give Kannababu, password I will give some password, and email address, enter address I will give some address, something like mygominds, KPHB, 888-530-2122. Gender I will select some gender, select the course .NET, Java, Python, select the, and here when I click on submit, it has to submit the data to the server. Whatever the data I entered in the browser, you can see in the URL, Kannababu, password and all the other stuff. Reset means what all of you? Reset means it will reset the form data. When I click on reset, all the values will what? Clear. So that is how you can work with what? Form tags in our HTML. In the next session, I will discuss about semantic tags and will develop the simple application, a small website by using HTML. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe and share the videos to your friends also. Thank you. Bye.